Okay, got something going on there. I don't want to call it a review per se. It's just something I'm starting to notice that's starting to really get on my nerves, and it deals with Amazon. So here's what happened. I ordered something from Amazon, and again, well, I mean, this that I can think of, this happens to me 4 times, and this isn't too bad. I order something from Amazon, and they send me something that's been returned. Now, I have no issues with buying stuff that's been returned. You see this? I think it's this lens here that's on this camera. I bought it as an Amazon refurbished, aka used, whatever you want to call it. Saved me a few $100s. Nice lens. I knew that I was buying this lens. I paid the lower price. Now, I think the one I'm going to talk about is a little more egregious. One time I ordered a cappuccino machine or espresso machine, and it was not a cheap one. It was like a high-end one, like $800. They sent me a used one. Used on top of used, surrounded by used. I, of course, returned it. But I'll be very honest, the coffee it made was better than the one when they sent a new one, in my opinion. Maybe I just hadn't gotten them settings. The person who had it before must have dialed in the settings. Yeah. One time I received a monitor, not a computer monitor, like you can monitor something in another room, like a baby monitor. I actually got it to monitor my lasers. That way I don't have to be in the room, and I can just have it there, and I can see if anything happens. Even though I have a fire suppression system, I can go running. They sent me a used one. I even contacted the company. It's like, they're not doing you any good here sending out used stuff as new. That's actually the third one I received. The second was a microphone. A shotgun mic like you put on top of your camera here. I mean, it didn't say used, but you can tell it had been used. The little filter thing that you get on these shotgun mics, it was all cruddy. So anyway, I ordered this, full price. Oh, by the way, the other 3, they didn't say were used. I could tell the coffee machine was used because the packing was like something used and somebody repacked. And there was coffee inside of it, and it had obviously been used. Like I said, the microphone was cruddy, and the baby monitor was, yeah. So I'll buy Amazon refurbished all the time. No big deal. But let me make that choice and let me pay the smaller price. So I'm just going to open this here live. See what's going on here. Let's see how used it is. Oh yeah, it's been opened. See, it's got the little things here. They've been opened. First of all, I had a use for this. And because of the cost, I can get it, overnight, like 4 in the morning. I had a use for it on last Monday morning. Today is Memorial Day as I tape this, 1 week later. So after the time it was supposed to have been delivered, because I ordered it because this was the one that could be delivered by 4 a.m. for something I needed it for, get the notification that it's been delayed, and it took almost a week to get here, something that was supposed to be for the following morning. It's kind of like I'm returning the thing I did the review on the other day from Craftsman, that little tote, because they lied about the sizes. They didn't lie, but the company, whoever the distributor is, lied about the sizes. Had to get a bigger one. But in preparation for returning that, I discovered that they lowered the price. Remember, it's not even a month. They lowered it a bit, quite a bit. And with one of those Amazon coupons, it was half the price of what I paid for that just a few weeks ago. So I'm ticked. Well, I'm not, because the last time I called up Amazon and went like, hey, I just bought something that just arrived and you have it on sale. It was a MacBook Air M5. the one that's just been released. You know, they say, oh, we can't give you your money back. Am I allowed to return it? Well, yes. So I can return it and buy another one, but you can't just give me the $250. It is off now. Well, no, we can't do that. But what we'll do is, as a goodwill, we'll give you $25 credit, which I've never received. So anywho, let's open this trash up. Well, you can tell somebody put it back in this little package here. So you can just tell. Oh, see, it just took this off. Just laying there. Did they really check to make sure it was working? Oh, I'm just getting so tired of this. You know, I used to feel guilty about returning stuff. Maybe I'll check, see if somebody left the intimate moments on here. But anyway, I've just gotten so sick and tired of this BS. So first of all, this is supposed to have enough memory for like a hell of a lot more time. Maybe I got to lower the quality or something. It says I got 36 hours left. Well, I don't know if anyone used it. The little thing on the back is still here. Let me just go ahead and pull it. Anyway, like I was saying, if I order something, I don't like to return it because I feel it's my fault a lot of times because I ordered it. I don't like to warehouse or showroom or whatever these people call it and just order stuff and then just return it for grins and giggles. I'm completely against that. But after incidents like this and them sending the wrong, well, they didn't send it, but you know what I'm talking about, for that thing, because I wanted to protect my Elgato Prompter XL, I don't have any qualms. I think, you know, in this day and age, you know, 2 months, I think it's maybe like 6 weeks, 2 months, after buying that MacBook Air, I would easily just pack that thing up and send it back. Scrub it, send it back, and order a new one and let them just pass in the mail. Getting so tired of this. It's like none of them have any sense anymore. It's like, we don't care. Well, I guess that's the only one. Let's see if I can hear it.
Anyway, I've just gotten so sick and tired of this BS.
Okay, I think that sounds pretty good, to be honest. But I guess something needs to be done because, so let me see, I got a USB-A, I got this little mic jack, got an actual body mic here, a little lavalier, but it has, you know, one of the little things here where, so you can put a hand strap on it. Let me look at the instructions. You know, I needed this for a specific thing. But that sounded pretty good to me. And that's out of that speaker. Let's see if it has what's supposed to be in the package. And it doesn't. But I do know, I'm recording this on my phone, so I can't go and look it up, that this is supposed to be able to record for like 7, I forget, this ridiculous amount of hours. I think it was more than 36, but 36 should be enough for the purpose wait a minute, the screen's dirty. Can you see that? See how the screen's dirty? Let me make sure that's not just a little thing. Hold on. I don't want to defame them. I don't have any nails. I don't see where to pull it off at. Came in with somebody's fingerprints on everything. Okay, wait a minute. I think it's pulling off. Hold on. I don't have any fingernails. I bite them. I'm surprised this doesn't have a little, you know, a tab like the back one had a tab. Why wouldn't you have a dang tab? Gotta go get the kids and something like, put your fingernails in here and just dig this up. Okay, I think it's just a protective screen, but it is. I'd hate to do that because you ever run across those situations where it's, oh, that looks like a protective screen. I was looking at a video the other day, they're talking about you gotta be very careful about removing protective screens on TVs because a lot of times they don't put them on there anymore. Okay, it was a protective screen. So yeah, I defame them for no good reason. But obviously this thing is, I don't know, it's still in good condition. Someone probably just got it, then went like, nah, I don't want this, and then returned it. I just, like the lens was freaking awesome. They could have given me a choice to save a little bit of money. I mean, it was only $35, but 30 bucks, you know, gee whiz, come on, man, come on. Anyway, my semi-review of just that second, and I'm not gonna really review this, I'm just ticked off at what Amazon did. And now you're just hearing the old man rant. I'm out.